just got an order from Thrive Market, so I wanted to show you what's in it. Now, this is pretty scary because I ordered this before we went on vacation, and it's I don't even remember what's in here. So this is real. You will see what I'm really ordering. I hope there's nothing embarrassing in here. Oh, this was a good idea. Reusable produce bags. Fabulous. That will save some plastic. Plastic releases phthalates into the atmosphere, and then we breathe them, and they are obesogens, which means it can make people fat. They are also endocrine disruptors, so they will damage your hormones. So we should eliminate plastic as much as possible. I have Noblemade Classic BBQ Sauce, water, apple cider vinegar. That's better than white vinegar. I love that stuff. Tomato paste, pineapple juice, salt, smoked paprika, organic grass-fed beef bone broth powder, onion powder, chili powder, black pepper, garlic powder, natural hickory smoke flavor. That is not perfect. I would rather that not be in there. Tamarind concentrate, garlic powder, chili powder, cayenne, coriander, allspice, clove. So that is almost perfect. I have not tried this one. And I do have my own recipe for barbecue sauce that I really like, but sometimes it's convenient to just have a bottle of it, isn't it? EO deodorant. I'm really liking this because the deodorant I've been using for several years, it's not available in the US anymore. Thrive Organic Turkey Jerky. Now this does have some sugar in it, organic coconut sugar. It tastes so good. It also has some organic flavorings. Again, not perfect, but progress is better than perfection. These are fun. Salami chips and pepperoni chips. And you would not want to eat pork every day. It is, these taste good and they're really crispy. We don't eat those very often, but sometimes it is fun. Nellie's laundry soda. I have not tried this yet. This is new. Organic beef jerky from Thrive. Probably the best jerky is made by Epic. It's kind of hard to get these days, and it can be kind of hard, and some people in our family don't like those hard things. It's hard for them to eat. Then I have raw almond butter by Artisana. So in a perfect world, I would make my own almond butter, but again, I'm sorry, that's just not something I'm likely to do, because I would soak the almonds and then just put them in my Vitamix, and it really would be easy. Or second best thing is to buy Nate's. Let me think. He's at the farmer's market in Coppell. I think it's Nate's Raw Harvest, and he makes the best nut butters because he does soak and sprout the nuts before he turns them into nut butter. So that is the best. The other thing I do sometimes when I have this amazing brownie recipe, almost no sugar. In fact, I usually just use stevia in it. Here it is. Calls for a whole package of almond butter. And because I'm putting it in the oven, I don't invest money in raw almond butter for that recipe. So sometimes I keep this on hand. Then on our vacation, I was making a frozen chicken salad. You probably saw our post and got our email about that. If you're not on our email list, you need to get on there, because that's where we share real truth. On these social media platforms, there are a lot of words that we cannot use. So we can only use those in private, like an email. So send me an email if you want us to add you to our email list. It's info@healthforapurpose.com. So I was making the chicken salad to go out of town. I like this little can of organic roasted chicken breast for convenience. Again, I don't do this very often, but I didn't have quite, and what I usually do is I'll bake a whole chicken. I loved baked chicken. I get the back part because it's got all the crispy skin that I love the best. And my husband gets a leg thigh. Sometimes we share the other leg thigh, and I'll nibble on the wings. Again, lots of skin, lots of healthy fat. And then I'll just take all the chicken breast and all the other pieces, and I'll pull them off the bone. Actually, my husband does this. This is my least favorite task in the whole world. Pull the chicken off the bone into bite-sized pieces, put it in a jar, put it in the freezer, so that when I need to use that chicken for something, the hard work's already done. But I didn't have enough. And we were about to go on vacation. I didn't have time to thaw and bake a chicken and debone it. So I used this and I replaced it in my pantry. So there we have it. That is my grocery shopping, and I didn't even have to drive. I hope that helps. And hey, follow us, like us, subscribe to us on social media. Share this post with your friends because you want them to also stay forever young feeling with you. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to help you. Post some comments below. Let me know what you love. If you have any questions, happy to help.